So we're in Nicaragua and we're about to do a river crossing. No joke, this is the best way to get from the just outskirts of town, which is across the river, into the main town of San Juan del Sur. It's about a 10-minute walk from our place, and this is a great shortcut for anybody who's staying outside of town on the other side of the river. You can definitely take a taxi, but it's only a couple of minute walk, and most of the year it's passable by foot. There is a bit of time during the busy rainy season where there are boats offered for $1. So if you get here and you want to come across the river, it's still cheaper than a taxi, even if you need to take a boat, but we'll show you what the crossing looks like. And just know that the water height and how wide it is always going to depend on what time of day you're coming because of the tides. But we've passed by here morning, noon, and late into the evening and never really had any issues. Just make sure that you be aware of crocodiles in the water. We've never seen one, but there is a sign, so eyes up. This really is how everybody gets by here, by foot or by motorbike or bicycle. So now you've just come up from the beach and it's just a short little walk up this street. There's already a couple of bars and restaurants as soon as you cross, and then walking up the street, and basically right there is the main town of San Juan del Sur. You've arrived.